gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. And we're going to go through the very tail end of box number 6. I don't know how long it's going to take. It may take more than one video, it may not, who knows. But this is pretty. It's a beautiful bow with pink rhinestones. And all it needs is a jump ring or a ribbon or something. Beautiful. It's not, doesn't look like it was ever a brooch. It's a pendant. Oh, might be, I don't know if I'm going to keep that one or not. Just speak up if you would like it, but I don't know. Here's your smiley face, and it needs batteries. And it can actually, I think it actually opens up so you can put new batteries in it. You don't want to break a nail though, so that's on you. Okay. This is gorgeous. It's a big old blister pearl with what kind of stone is that? If it is stone. I don't know. Neat looking though. I like that pearl. Pearl is fabulous. This is a very tightly strung pearl bracelet that is, come on now, don't do that, wait a minute, come on, this should be, there we go. I got it. I got it. This is 9 inches long, but it's got a 2-inch extender on the end, so it goes from 7 to 9. And I'm pretty sure it'll lay right once you get it hooked on you and stuff. Nice. This was on something. Looks like it had a pin back on it. I think it might have been, I've seen this before. I'm not really sure if it might have been an Avon piece. Here's one of those hold your sleeves up thingies. There's a pink rhinestone ring in decent shape. It just needs one little pink stone in the middle. That's all it needs. What is this? This looks like it came undone. Or it's supposed to have it? I don't know. It's braided. And then it's got these tassels on the ends. Different. Oh boy, we got stuff tangled up, and we've got stuff that is, oh, that goes to something that Miss Susan has. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know what that belonged to. Little bits and bobs. All the bits and bobs are going to go in a craft lot, which I have to do a craft lot showing, I think, because I have tons of them. Here's wire twisted Hopi. Here's another one of those twisted wire, I think. It's really hard to see what this is. Coiled. It's so, let's see, get in really close to see if we can see what that is. Yeah, it's twisted wire. Wow, that's crazy. Ooh, look at my terrible hands. Ugh. But it's a little bracelet. Double. If you double it, it can be a bracelet. And if you have a really small neck, it can be a choker. Here's a little Aurora Borealis earring. I'm going to be be having brain issues because of recent events. It makes it hard to think. This is absolutely adorable, but it's missing a couple of pearls. Little teeny tiny thing. Didn't they call these lingerie pins, the little bitty ones? I think they were normally straight across bar pin though. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Pink, and it says somebody Stewart. Ooh, do I have both of these? That would be cool. Alana Stewart, I've heard that name, but I don't know what kind of things she makes. Here's a little Indian bracelet. See what I mean? There's a bunch of little stuff in here. I know who gets this one, if I can give it up. Susan. Susan has a thing for Scullies, and he's cool. He's got a rose in his teeth. Yeah, rose in his teeth. Speaking of rose, here's rose gold with rhinestone earring. I have the other of. This, what is this? What is this? It's a little Chuck's charm. And here's a little, it looks like a piece of a bracelet that broke. Yeah, piece of a bracelet. Little tiny beads. There's a bunch of these in there. These are aventurine or jade. I'm not 100% sure which. This is a clippy hoop. Clippy hoop, clippy. Oh, and there's also a white, milky colored. Oh, I see where it came from. I think. No, that's not what it came from. Oh well. There's a bunch of little stuff in here. There's a little swallow. Rhinestone earring. That looks like the Empire State Building. Yes, it is. It says Empire State on it. That was from a souvenir bracelet, looks like. So many things that are tiny.
And so little time to sort them.
I got plenty of time, bud. I got nothing but time. Oh, hey, that was that was an earring. Where'd you go? He disappeared. Poof! He disappeared for a big guy. He's so quiet. Quiet. Chuck. There's the other Chuck's earring. And, ooh, this is cool. It's, faux tiger eye on one side and like a slate gray on the other. Stretchy bracelet. Adidas. Yeah. Clippy earring. Here's a fun little bar ring. In good shape, looks like steel. Missing one stone, so if you're a stone replacer type, you can have that. Let's see. What have we here? Oh, look at this. This is nice. Milk glass and Aurora Borealis. Let me look at it a little closer, see what's missing, because you know there's got to be stuff missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only thing missing is one piece of milk glass right at the tip. Marquise shaped. Oh, I forgot to turn the top light on. You can't even see stuff.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty. Oh, dude, I thought that was a tooth. It's a piece of Mexican onyx. I thought it was a tooth. Here is a orange shells. There's another one of these. I think we have the other one, and I'm not sure. Thing is, when I put things into the bin to do a video, I kind of just grab things, but sometimes I see them. So when I see them, when I pull them out, I might think that I've seen them in a previous video, but that's not the case. There's some deep red button earrings, posties, post-its. This is rhodochrosite and milky quartz and some little rhinestone rondelles and a starfish, and that's really cute. I don't think this is sterling, but it has some fancy stones on it, so yeah, maybe. There's a nice hammered brass earring clip. Ooh, look, there's the other Alana Stewart, and it's not missing anything, so that's cool. They're lever backs. Seen that one before. Haven't seen that one before. This is a little scarab ring that someone made out of wire, and it's a little askew. Askew. Oh, these are cute. Or this is cute, I should say. Somebody had blonde hair that liked them as well. Oh wait, this is a little circle of what do you call them? Dragonflies. I've seen the other one of that. Let's move these down. There we go. Little teal tassels. This one is totally wrecked, so it's going in there. Into the trash. Ginkgo. Post. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Yeah. She's cute. And one of those. Oops, missed. My fingers are not big enough to wear middies, I swear. Ooh, this is cute. What are you? It's a bumblebee bee and a... I don't know what the other one is. A bumblebee and a spider? A spider and a fly! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! I want it. I gotta have it. It's missing some stones. Said the spider to the fly. That's cool. That's cool. I like this. Ooh, there's a vintage. There's some little glass beads. Little teeny ones. Okay, this is a triple strand. I'm trying to find the back end of it. Oh, there it is. It's 4 strands. It's got large curb chain, and then it's got, I don't remember what this one is called. It's got this one, and it's got a regular, 2 regular chains. And that's nice. So let's see, it has a name on it. Monet. Does that say Monet? It feels like Monet. Where the heck did my thing? Oh, right here. Right in front of my face. No, it says China on that side, and then it says China on this side, but it's a really cool quadruple chain. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's going to go in the auction bucket, probably. What have we here? Oh, look, it's a little heart. It's a little emoji heart. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. There's a chevron band, or you could wear it like that, or you could wear it like that. That's in good shape. Look, there's no wear on that at all. Wish I could freaking not have issues with my throat. There is a plumeria blossom. Little, oh, hey, we have the other one of these already. I want to thank you all for being here and being my solace. Oh, wait, we don't have the other one of these. That's kind of cool, though. Amethyst, don't know, and citrine, and probably aventurine. And this is probably carnelian. That's really pretty. Oh, this is the one we have the other of. Little stones. Stony stone. This is a huge mess because there's a twisted wire thingy in here that needs to come out. Hooey. Hubba 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 hubba. This thing. I can't tell what the heck, what it was supposed to be, but it sure is making some trouble here. Yeah, it's on copper wire. And there we go. It's an ornament of some sort. I don't know if it was wired onto a necklace or not, but it's really neat. Might have been. Let's leave that aside so that it doesn't get all snagged up again. It's really kind of cool. I'm sitting on my foot like an idiot. Here's a little mug of a steaming beverage with little beads on it. Cute. This is really nice and falling apart. It's one of those guys. But the beads are nice, so that might be a thing. This, okay, we have you. Button, it's a button, button. But, I can't get it done. I did not say anything to you. I am talking to the people. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get this stuff off here. There's some nice white beads and some nice green beads. And oh look, isn't that cute? I don't know what that is, but it's got some pretty glass in it. Gloss. And that was my dinner bell kind of ringing. Do not come apart, you. Look at all the glass beads, and the end has this on it. Let's try not to come undone any further. Oh, there it went. There's a couple. There's going to be a bunch of beads in the bottom here. I don't know. I'll have to look at them to see if they're going to be my beads or your beads. Beep. Be right back. If I can walk on the foot I was sitting on. Yeah. Bubbly. Alright. So, hey, we're at 20. Good timing. My dinner's ready. I want to get this untangled though. I just want to get it untangled first. Come on, look at that. Okay, that's little glass beads. Those are different. Put a glass in here. Here's a chain. Chain. Chain of beads. Yeah. Well, this looks like it's going to take a little longer than I would like for on-camera untangling. So, we're going to call it here. I would like to thank you all for being here. I love you. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. And if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below of the item in which you were interested. I'm really sorry that I meant to start doing, giving you the prices as we go, but for some reason that just doesn't, I don't know, it's weird. So I'll give that another shot at some point. But for now, just leave a timestamp and we'll discuss. Also, if you would rather send me an email with that information, please include the title of the video and the date that it was posted so that I could find your item and get it out to you. And if you have not bought from me before, include your name, your address, your PayPal email, and your YouTube name. Wait, PayPal address, name, and YouTube name. Yes, so that I can get your stuff out to you. Please remember that I love each and every one of you. I have to do it this way. Like that. And be yourself. Because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.